Good evening. My name is Kimberly Uribe, and I'm the daughter of Minerva and Juan Felix Uribe. I am a senior and have been dancing for 7 years, 4 of which I have had the pleasure of being a member, officer, and now co-captain of this amazing organization. In addition, I have been a member of the Fellowship of Christian Athletes for 4 years, student council, senior class, and yearbook. I have had the privilege of attending the Showtime International Officer Dance Camp and the All-American Officer Dance Camp, where I was selected to be an All-American dancer, as well as numerous officer awards, honors, including the opportunity to travel and perform in the Buffalo Wild Wings Citrus Bowl in Orlando, Florida, as an All-American dancer. Being on the team for 4 years now, I have had the privilege to compete at 9 different competitions where we earned the Texas State Championship Award, the Best of the Best Team, and overall state grand champions for the past 3 years, as well as countless judges' awards. In addition, this year I was awarded solo finalist at the Showtime International Dance Competition and the All-American Dance Competition. I plan to attend the University of Texas A&M Kingsville, where I plan to continue dancing and earn a bachelor's degree in early childhood education to become an elementary school teacher. Le quiero dar gracias a mis abuelitos Minerva y Juan Uribe por todo lo que han hecho por mí y por siempre apoyarme en todo lo que hago. Te quiero mucho, abuelito y abuelita. I also want to thank my mom, Jennifer, my best friend, Monica, and my sailor, who is currently miles away, for their continued support over the years. And last but not least, I would like to thank Ms. Okora for pushing me to get better and always believing in me. She is the best director anyone could ask for, and I'm glad I got to experience being a part of her amazing organization. Tonight I will be performing my award-winning lyrical solo entitled Latch. This solo represents how I will continue to latch onto the people that mean the most to me as I continue to pursue my dreams. Thank you.
Okay.